How to receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to launch the Binance application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you land on your home page, here you have to search for an option that says deposit. If not, tap on more icon. So once you land on this interface, scroll down and there is a deposit option. You have to tap on deposit. Now using the search bar, you have to search for USDT. And there you have to tap on USDT. Then you will be asked to choose your network. So here what you have to choose is you have to choose TRON, that is TRC20, from the list of network. Tap on it. Then the Binance will display your TRC20 wallet address. If your account is verified, you will also see the QR code along with the deposit address. And the last step, all you have to do is tap on the copy next to your TRC20 deposit address. Then you can share this address with the sender or paste it where needed to receive the funds. So once the sender transfer USDT via TRC20, you should receive the funds within 2 to 5 minutes and you will get a deposit confirmation notification from Binance once it arrives. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.